You are my refuge, you are my peace, and every battle you never leave. Faithful forever, strong says Jesus, my Savior, I lift your name. When I walk through the deepest waters, you are in the calm seas. You are in the calm seas. You have will never fail me. You're the one who carries me. No one fear can stand against your love. No chain can hold the grace has been done. I stand the kind. I stand the redeemed